activity is?
Barbecue.
Barbecuing! Thank you. My dad is a terrible cook. Like, he can't cook anything, I think, but scrambled eggs. But somehow he can cook tri-tip on the barbecue. Like, that's his thing. And
It's his thing. And one time we had tri-tip on the barbecue, and he decided to put some radish on it because for some reason he thought, let's spice it up. It's not spicy enough already.
Turns out the man can't cook radish. Eyebrows gone. Tri-tip, perfectly cooked. Didn't even matter, just flicked off little bits of radish ash like nothing had happened. Served us just meat for the night.
And this really built his confidence. Then he decided to try some other animals, and there was a lot of rabbits in our backyard.
But he can't cook a rabbit, believe it or not. So a rabbit, whoosh, there goes his hair. He's also going to say he can't kill a rabbit, so whoosh goes the rabbit.
So then he moved on to bigger animals like the mammals, you know, like anteaters. And he couldn't cook those either.
Also, it's really hard to find an anteater at this time of year. You look everywhere for them, so we ended up having to go to the zoo.
And at the zoo, you see all these half-mutilated animals that he tried to kill but couldn't quite.
The kids hate it. Never take your children to the Detroit Zoo. It is a terrifying experience because my dad has mutilated so many creatures.
Not to mention Lisa Witch himself, the fact that he had absolutely no body hair at this point, really anywhere, several strange burn marks, and a large t-shirt that said AC/DC.
So go over to my dad's house. Ask for the tri-tip.
Love rabbit.
Yeah. Nothing really makes you feel like you're outdoorsy and alive like eating a rabbit you bought at Gennardi's.
Makes me feel like a woman.
Yeah, me too.
Because
Yeah.
it's nurturing.
Oh
Be quiet. I kind of want more. More animals. Makes me feel like more of a woman when I nurture more into the death pit over here.
Marlene, you know that I bought the Death Pit 3000. You want a guy with the Death Pit, you go somewhere else. Death Pit 3000. Makes you feel like a woman.
The death pit,
What?
3,000 would be
Yeah.
fine. It's so much easier than I thought it was going to be. If you, damn it! We just lost an opportunity. This is just like our relationship. The opportunities come and go.
You can't kill them.
Why not? You're cooking them.
This is already dead. When you
I want a man that kills our food. That's a man.
It feels like you're judging me a little bit.
I think I am. I want a man that can kill the thing that he bakes.
So I says to Sam, I said, sometimes you just want a man to literally bring home the bacon. I mean, drag a pig home by the hoof.
You want to see the knife cut across the pig's neck and see the blood coming out.
I want to be pissed at you for cleaning the blood up off my rug.
Whoa.
Here you are, honey.
Oh no, I'm waiting to see this.
Hey, baby. How you doing?
Good.
Is that some bacon you got for me?
Yeah, it's a big one.
Oh, yeah?
I'm getting ready to see the show right now.
Well, Laverne, I gotta ask you to leave for a second.
Oh, I ain't leaving.
Oh, no, you is.
I ain't leaving.
Because I got a man and I got some bacon and there's two kinds of meat I gotta deal with right now.
People are talking in the office today. That's great. Everyone wants to know if you're okay. First your eyebrows, your hair, the burns. I'm here on behalf of everybody in the secretarial poll to, you elected Sheila to do it, but
She was such a leader.
everybody to talk. I'm not afraid to talk, given a good reason. Curiosity about a coworker being top of the list. We all want to know, and well, you told me I had to do it. That's what I figured.
Doing great, doing great.
So what's happening? Is it that son of yours?
flunking high school. He is. Every day I pick off another eyebrow. Oh, God. He's just driving me insane.
Oh, that's terrible.
But everyone's talking about me.
Honey, Dad, but they just knew. If you just told them.
Sheila, you're such a leader that here in the PTA, we thought maybe you could take Charlie and some of the other boys who are supposed to go to juvie to the beach for a couple days. Really get your leadership on.
No problem, I can do it.
You're up for that?
Yeah.
Great. None of the other parents would take on that responsibility. Sheila, I knew you were the
I love
person.
the leadership
for
role.
job.
I always thought I'd be something
We're
one
gonna have to
day.
get you shots.
So this is the M&F beach?
You can say the real words now, we're out of juvenile.
No, you never know when someone's watching.
I'm watching, boys.
Oh,
I'm out
God.
for something.
What?
I'm the boss here. I'm the leader. I'm in charge.
What were you in for?
Yeah, what'd you go to juvie for?
No.
Oh, you
Oh!
No, I'm in the PTA.
What does that stand for? The please tell me anything aha!
It's got an M in it. No.
We're gonna make the best of this. There's not
No,
gonna
we're making a raft. We're getting out of here.
We're making a raft out of sand.
Yeah.
We're making a sand raft and we're gonna go straight to the M&F in Cuba.
I know why your mom pulls out so many eyebrows.
5 hours later. I think there's a raft up there.
Oh yeah! Yeah,
Oh,
sand raft.
Can you-
Can
you guys
get
remember-
back up on this?
Yeah, let's just let them see if they make it.
Yeah, use your GD arms to paddle our sand raft.
They seem to have really good cooperation.
I'm the captain, right?
No.
What?
Yeah, I made a little Captain Jack Sparrow out of sand. This is our captain.
Looks like they have a little itty bitty sparrow on their raft.
Yeah, it's a bird. It's a bird sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow's a bird. Yeah.
Usually people are coming from Cuba.
Yeah, this is really a new day.
I hear the ports are open and we have embassies. It's gonna be M&F and gnarly as
So
ass.
up next, folks, one of my esteemed guests, Charlie, who went from being in juvie to defying the laws of physics, building a sand out of raft and going to Cuba and repairing international relations.
Yeah.
Charlie, a few words for the class here at Vassar.
Yeah, hey Vassar. What's up? You know, if you take some sand and you put water in it, wet sand pulls things together, and then you take it to the gravity of what the water is. Salt water has a higher consistency than regular water, and I thought, self, you
5
can
minutes
get
later.
and then you see Cuba, and it's like, oh, where's Castro? He's pretty awesome, and I want to shake his M&F in hand. GD, he's such a bee. Where's your mother, Vassar? I want to be in the back, ladies.
Charlie, we're to you. I'm never telling my parents how much money they paid for that lecture.
Yeah, I would ruin him.
I feel like we're smarter than that guy. But I wouldn't have known to build a raft.
I had no idea that salt water had a different density than I think I'm gonna try radishes this week.
What?
I'm gonna spice it up. Don't hold me back.
You want to spice up the most perfect meat we've ever experienced
Hey, I live on the wild side.
with such a bland vegetable?
What are you talking about bland? Radish is just explosion in your mouth.
I'd like to see you try.
Eating a radish? That's what I was gonna do, so it's no big deal.
I dare you.
This wasn't gonna be a big deal, now you're making it a big deal.
Double dare.
Your whole face just came away! Oh my god! Help! Help! Somebody, please! Oh my god! Why is there monsters coming out here?
That tricep is really amazing.
Why are you? What's wrong with you? Oh, oops.
Oh,
Oh my God.
So bloody.
Oh my God. I didn't mean to kill it. I didn't mean to run it over with my bike.
Well, you did, twice. I mean, you went over, you backed up.
Oh my God. I didn't want to kill a baby bird. Oh my God.
I mean, that bird had a whole life ahead of it. And you ruined it. It's just got enough life left in you to give it.
No!
Yeah.
No! I'm gonna save it!
You're never going to be a doctor, as a matter of fact.
Stop raining on my dead bird parade!
wow. Did you do that?
I'm so deadly!
Don't say it.
She went over the baby bird, went
She
back.
went back. That's so hot. That's
Stay
exactly
alive!
the kind of man.
Stay alive!
Now he's pussying out, but before that, that's the kind of man I
I
want.
got hair in my mouth.
You got hair in your mouth from the bird?
I was building a hair. It's a hair nest. It's building a hair nest.
You know what? You can't help what you taste. If that is your kind of man, please go for it.
Well, now he's safe. Now he's eating her. All right, well, I guess that's pretty hot.
Oh, I wasn't making out with you. I was private. That part's private, bird.
So,
What am I talking?
so Bird, I know you have a lot of anger about your bout with James. Did you need to touch his private parts? I see. Do you think that sometimes you transfer those emotions onto other people?
Yeah.
I understand. How much of this goes back to George Bush? No, don't back off on me here. I think we can definitely trace this to the Republican Party if we try. See, that's what I'm saying. It's the W initial in the middle. It looks like wings of a bird. Join me.
Did you see that? She rolled over it, backed up, and did it again. And then she tried to kiss it, and when it tried to just get a little flight going, they accused it of trying to touch him sexually. It was just humiliating for me watching. It was
And then
humiliating.
I heard this from a bird down the street. Then they torched it.
What?
Yeah.
Torched it?
Yeah.
They're evil. I know. And then they threw it in the river.
The river, but they can't swim. Jack can't swim.
Just spread the story far and wide.
And then I heard from a bird across the way that then it turned into Aquabird, and it came out of the ocean with the vengeance of 1,000 whales.
1,000 whales.
And then it came back and flew and found that guy and flew directly into his window while he was making out with his human girlfriend.
And then he got knocked down and they had to revive him again.
Whoa! And then he tore his eyes out with his little bird fingers and built a castle of eyes.
Yes, fingers as a bird?
So I'm happy to be in charge of the cookie fundraiser this year.
Picked you for a reason.
I thought so. I've been coming to every meeting at the PTA for the past 3 years, and
No one else would do it.
I'm consistent.
It's true. And it's important because this year's competition is the most important.
I can do it. Why is it so important? Are we trying to beat another school?
We're trying to get sponsorship funds from the local Toyota dealership.
Oh, I drive Hondas.
I'll switch.
Perfect. I knew you were the right person.
These are the cookies?
Yes, they are. Here's the fat-free version.
They're all gluten-free?
We can make them gluten-free if you want, but they're not.
Well, that I think was unnecessary.
You're not
not gonna get any sponsorship from us.
How hard do I have to try with you people?
You just tried once.
I think you're trying hard enough, if I can say so myself. Thank you very much. I've been planning this presentation. I pulled an all-nighter. I noticed your Comic Sans fonts. I like it.
You don't want the Subaru, guys. You want the Toyota.
We're safe. But Toyota doesn't want me, so...
They got nothing.
We have hatchbacks. We carry surfboards or cats. We have a non-fat version. Oh, that sounds lovely, but I'll take full fat and gluten, please. We've got a lot of those. So you want to sponsor our school? Twice.
Go for it.
I will. Thank you, Toyota. Thanks for the cookies. You move so lovely. You just seem like a leader. I was just drawn to you. I think so too. You seem like a real supporter. Thanks. If you can't be an athletic supporter. This is actually for educational purposes. That's fantastic. I bought 2 of whatever you're selling, and I'm happy to do it in Subaru. That's great. No one ever wants to be a Subaru, just about Kia, but let's go. Subaru. Really? No one I talk to. No, not really. There's a lot of jokes about us that I don't repeat here. I haven't heard any. Well, that's good. That's probably why you're still talking to me.
So cars make me think of the last time I bought a car, which was at a Toyota dealership, and I had my boyfriend's brother help me with the contract because he did cleaning services so he knew people. So I was thinking to myself that I would get a good deal.
And I really don't know too much about cars, so I was thinking that if he could get me a good deal and he knows the person who cleans the facility, that they could really help me get an awesome vehicle. I wanted cup holders.
It was fantastic. Because he slept with all the salespeople there, I was able to get cup holders in bright red. And it was fantastic, I thought.
That's really all I care about, honestly. I don't care if the car moves. I don't care if there's power locks or windows.
Because I drink really huge Diet Cokes, and every other car I purchase doesn't fit it, so I have to put it between my legs.
Now I can put it in the car cup holder, and the cool thing is that because the car doesn't move, I can easily sit in it during my lunch breaks from my job that I metro to. I sit there, drink my Cokes, really enjoy life, and that's what I do every Monday through Wednesday.
That's right. On weekends, if I want my car, I metro back to work, and I pick up the car, but at least as a cup holder, so, you know.
It works out really well because there's free parking at work, but at home you have to move it every 2 hours. That just never happens.
But then there's like free refills at 7-Eleven, so you gotta balance out parking versus the refills, because if you can get free refills, sometimes it matters with the parking.
And with the free refills, there are 3 cup holders. There's 1 and 2, and then if you pull the back one out, 3. So I can get 3 sodas at a time, which is what, of course, I always do.
And so I built a toilet in the passenger seat. I never have to leave. The